Hello, my name is Kelly Norris, and I've been in the real estate industry for over 30 years and a broker at Real Brokerage. This channel is dedicated to helping real estate agents succeed and thrive in any market. So if this is your first time here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss anything. So what do you need to be doing when the real estate market slows down? More importantly, what do you need to be doing on a daily basis to grow your real estate business so it isn't so susceptible to market conditions? First, evaluate all aspects of your business. Are you getting what you want and need from your current brokerage? Are you embracing and leveraging technology? What are your expenses? Can they be reduced or reallocated? Are you as productive as you want and need to be to reach your goals? Second, get organized. Invest in a quality and easy to use customer relationship management program, or CRM. There are many to choose from, but I use Lofty. It was formerly known as Chime. Lofty is an all-in-one solution for real estate professionals' marketing needs. They offer an intuitive CRM and a lead generation suite to take care of all your lead generation efforts from start to finish. With Lofty, you'll get a robust CRM and a custom website, as well as all the traditional marketing tools that you need. I can't emphasize enough how important it is to have and use a CRM. One of the many benefits of being affiliated with Real Broker is that you get to use Lofty at a greatly reduced price. Normally, it can cost over $500 a month, but once you affiliate with Real Broker, it's just $50 a month. If you're interested in knowing more about joining Real Broker, there's a link in the description below. Also, I'll do a deeper dive into Lofty or Chime in another video. Number 3, prioritize and segment your client database and keep in touch with them. We all strive to provide the best services to every client, but there are always clients that are better to work with than others, and frankly, more important. Basically, it comes down to the 80-20 rule. 80% of your referral business is likely coming from just 20% of your previous clients. Therefore, you should spend 80% of your marketing time with that key 20%. This will most certainly bring you a significant volume of business over the long term. Segmenting your client database is essential to time management and becoming more efficient. You need to have more frequent contact with your top-tier clients. Allocate more time and resources to them to establish a long-term trusted relationship. You should also keep in touch with your second-tier clients as well, just not as frequently. Sending them an occasional drip text and email should be sufficient. Also, don't forget to just pick up the phone and give your clients a call. This is a personal business, and believe it or not, calling someone is still the next best thing to meeting them in person. Providing excellent after-sales services is the key component to differentiate yourself from other real estate agents. Believe me. Methodically follow up with your clients to see how they're doing. Don't beat them over the head or anything. Just stay consistent and persistent over time. You'll be glad you did. Texting and emailing are also great ways to keep in touch with your clients. You want them to think of you immediately whenever they need real estate services or know someone else that does. Number 5, expand your network and strengthen your relationships. Building and maintaining strong professional relationships is essential in having a successful real estate career. Set networking goals and attend industry events, mixers, and nurture existing connections. A robust network can lead to valuable collaborations, referrals, and growth opportunities. Number 6, enhance your marketing strategies. Enhance your marketing efforts by setting goals to strengthen your brand presence. Explore new avenues such as social media advertising, content marketing, reputation management strategies, or email and text campaigns. Align your marketing strategies with your target audience, ensuring your brand remains at the forefront of potential clients' minds. Number 7, diversify your real estate portfolio. Consider diversifying your real estate portfolio by exploring new markets, property types, or investment strategies. Setting goals to broaden your expertise can open up new avenues for success and position you as a versatile and adaptive professional. Number 8, prioritize work-life balance. While professional success is certainly important, achieving a healthy work-life balance is equally crucial. Set goals to prioritize self-care, manage stress, and establish boundaries. Striking a balance between your professional and personal life contributes to long-term success and overall well-being and reduces the possibility of burnout. Number 9, stay adaptable and resilient. In an industry that can be dynamic and unpredictable, resilience and adaptability are invaluable qualities. Set goals to achieve and cultivate these traits. Number 10, set goals. Think about what you want to achieve in the next 12 months. Avoid making goals that are too vague, unrealistic, or unattainable. Each goal should have a concrete number and timeline. For example, suppose you want to make a six-figure income in the next 12 months. First, find out how many sales you'll need to close in order to achieve that goal. Are your prospecting and marketing activities in place? Will hiring an assistant or transaction coordinator help you achieve those goals? If so, hire an assistant or TC to reduce some of the things that take you away from what's most important to you. Think about what specific tasks you can outsource to them to make yourself more productive. It's important to find out what you're good at and need to concentrate on. It's also important to find out what you're not good at and what you don't want to concentrate on so you can outsource those things. I hope you found the content of this video valuable. If you would like to discuss your business in more detail, or you'd like to know more about the many benefits of joining Real Broker, I'd love to speak with you individually on a video call. I have a link to my calendar in the description below so you can select a date and time that works best for you, and you'll automatically be scheduled for a one-on-one video call with me. Also, if you want to know more about the multiple streams of income at Real Broker, then check out this video right here. See you in the next video.